Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we will learn about the JavaScript object and classes. An object is a collection of key value pair where keys are strings or symbol and value can be any data type including function. So we will learn about the object creation. To create an object, we can use any const and the object name like person, and we will store the values inside the curly braces. So we can assign name. Let's give name as John. We can store more values like comma. We can store age. It can be 30. We can have any data type. We can store the contact number. That can be integer. Similarly, or before that, let's print this person to check how we will get the output. So I will do console.log to check the output of this person. Let me do clear of this window. Little bit expand this terminal window. So if I do node app.js to execute my method, so here we can see we get the output as we have written the print to person object, so we are getting name, age and contact number. So like this we can access this object and we can create a key value pair to create an object. It can have more than these values, like we can also include a function. So let me create one function. We can give any name. So in our previous lecture we understood how to create a function. Inside this I will write console.log. This is print. So here we have included one function inside the object. So let's execute this app.js one more time. So here we can see at the end this print function is got added, but we cannot see this. This is a print method. So to check this, let's call this print method explicitly. So person.print. Before that, let's comment out this print for person. Let me clear this. So this time we should only see this is print. So we are getting the expected output. So like this we can include a function inside object. So this is all about the object. So apart from these objects, we will also learn about the classes. So in the JavaScript, we can use the class keyword, same as the C# or ASP.NET. Like we can create a class with any class name and we will use curly braces to define a class. So this is our user class. Inside this user class, we can have the method. Let's give the method name as method1. Method will be a function which will be we can write inside the class. So this method will be called to print this is method 1 from user class. Okay, so I have given a random log which will be executed when we call this method 1. So how to call this method 1 from user class? So let this is any variable we can use from our class. So this is the syntax to, like here we are initiating this user class and we are creating an object user1 for this user class, and how to access this method. So user1 dot method 1. Now this user1 will call this method 1 from the user class. So let's comment out this code. and let's execute this app.js. So this is method one from user class. So like this, we can create any class inside the JavaScript, and we have already learned how to use the classes in the C# code. In our upcoming video, we will learn about the arrays in the JavaScript. So thank you for watching this video.